Ever seen your Honeywell thermostat blinking a cool on message? It could be due to power cycling. Now, what's power cycling, you ask? It's when you manually turn your thermostat from cooling to off and then back on again. Or it might occur after a power outage. This blinking message is actually a built-in safety feature designed to protect the compressor from damage due to rapid restarts. So what should you do? Just wait a few minutes to let the thermostat reset itself. Remember, sometimes the solution is as simple as being patient. If patience doesn't solve the problem, it's time to check your air filter and power supply. Dirty air filters can restrict airflow, causing your thermostat to blink cool on. Power supply disruptions can also interfere with the thermostat's operation. So take a moment to inspect your air filter. If it's clogged, replace it. Next, check your breaker box to ensure no issues are affecting the power supply to your HVAC system. Ensuring your air filter and power supply are in good shape is crucial for your thermostat's operation. Still seeing that blinking cool on message? It might be time for a thermostat reset. This is a handy trick that can clear up programming errors or glitches causing the blinking message. Every thermostat model has its own reset instructions, so it's best to consult your thermostat's instruction manual for the specific steps. Typically, it involves holding down certain buttons for a few seconds. Remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but a simple reset can often clear up any programming errors causing the blinking cool on message. If a reset doesn't do the trick, let's check the batteries and wiring. Faulty batteries or loose wiring can disrupt the thermostat's function, causing that pesky blinking cool on message. It's a good idea to replace the batteries if they're not at their best. Also, make sure all the wiring connections are secure and undamaged. Loose wires or damaged connections can interfere with the thermostat's operation. Keeping your thermostat's batteries and wiring in good condition ensures its proper function. Still no luck? It might be that the system just needs a little time to cool. Sometimes, the blinking cool on message is simply your thermostat's way of saying it's working on reaching your desired temperature. Just like how you wouldn't expect a gourmet meal to be prepared in an instant, your cooling system too needs its own sweet time to get the job done. So don't fret. Sit back and listen for the reassuring hum of the compressor kicking in. Be patient and allow your system the time it needs to cool. If all else fails, it's time to call in the pros. When your thermostat continues to blink cool on, despite your best troubleshooting efforts, it's time to seek help from a professional HVAC technician. These experts have the skills and equipment to diagnose underlying issues with your system. They can identify the root cause of the problem and recommend the appropriate repairs to get your thermostat back to normal. Remember, sometimes it's best to leave it to the professionals. They can diagnose the problem and get your thermostat back on track.